Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft and the ROVSUN 15 pounds. In today's video, we'll dive into the features, pricing, and performance of these compact washers, perfect for small spaces like apartments, RVs, and dorms. We'll help you determine which machine is the best choice for your laundry needs. When it comes to price, the COMFEE model is significantly more expensive at $345, while the ROVSUN offers a more affordable option at just $99. This price difference reflects the automation and features of the COMFEE, making it a premium choice for those willing to invest more in convenience. In terms of capacity, the COMFEE offers a larger washing capacity of 11 pounds, allowing you to wash more laundry at once. In contrast, the ROVSUN has a 9 pounds wash capacity, which may require more frequent loads for larger households. This difference could be a deciding factor for those with more laundry to manage. The COMFEE is a fully automatic washing machine, providing a hands-free experience with its digital controls and preset cycles. On the other hand, the ROVSUN is semi-automatic, requiring manual intervention to transfer clothes between the wash and spin tubs. This could be a crucial factor for users who prefer convenience over manual effort. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and ROVSUN portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The COMFEE is ideal for those seeking a fully automatic solution with a larger capacity, while the ROVSUN is perfect for budget-conscious users who prioritize portability and simplicity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.